this has been like my wish list thing I've wanted on all your software that's never been able to happen before. Could you set up where we would send out to our database, here's your basic information we have in our database, and can you confirm or update or tell us to take you out of the database and have it brought back in? Under the custom tabs, when we create those and we create the data fields, are those also in the back end available for plugging in places?
Yes.
Okay, so it automatically creates a back end data field for it.
Correct.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, all the merge fields, all that kind of stuff. It's just it'll have custom as the prefix for the name.
Okay, all right, good.
Now, with those custom fields, can you do a sign-up sheet like for open house and customize it with, hey, here's the open house, and have a questionnaire so people can put their information like an iPad or whatever?
You would do that. I mean, you would do that in the integrations area for maybe, again, you could do it as a Google form and bring it in, and then it would map it. But if you've got a website form or something that you set up with all those different fields, you could also do it here where you're mapping the different fields on this side with the SAM fields on this side. So I don't know that I've got, see, like right here, I've got custom property type, custom acreage, whatever. You could create custom fields and then have it map the responses to these fields whenever it's importing. I don't have Zapier connected yet, but I've got the code almost done for it, that you could even do a Google form to Zapier to bring it in. That I've got
it's better to do it in a Google form right now, because the questionnaire, hey, are you working with the agent? Are you looking, what price are you looking for? And they'll do like a click questionnaire.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we will eventually have landing pages that you guys can create and do that very thing. It's just, I don't have it yet. And I've got so many other things. Unless you guys think that that's a priority, I can move it up, but it's not as priority right now.
Okay.
So would the landing page be like, what I want to create is an intake form for new clients?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, and the advantage there would be if you sent it as a landing page, you send out the URL. The URL could have the email address or the contact's ID in the form. It sees, oh, it's a contact. Let me pull it up, and it could preload the fields that are there, let you fill it out, hit submit, and then send it back. At that point, then it would just be the approval of that form, whether you want to, mass approve them or approve them one at a time or whatever.
Okay.
But you could do it with a Google form right now. It'll take a little bit more setup, and I mean, something that we could walk you through. But if I may go ahead and move it up, you guys.